Hello, I'm Steve with Nomadic Monkey. Welcome to Fremont Street in downtown Las Vegas. Come join me on a tour of El Cortez Hotel. Today's Thursday, August 17th, 10:30 p.m. right now. The temperature is 98 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Here's the outside El Cortez. It's the oldest continuously running casino in Las Vegas. It opened in 1941. Some of the history of El Cortez. It's located on Fremont Street and 6th right here. 1 block away from the Fremont Street Experience. Across the street you have Commonwealth, Cheap Shop, lots of bars. This is a relatively small hotel and casino because it's one of the oldest, along with the Golden Gate Hotel and Casino. It only has 364 rooms. My favorite thing about El Cortez is this right here, the prime rib special, $16.95. Siegel's 1941.
Oh, you finna go on there TikTok?
No, just YouTube. Yeah. Here's inside the El Cortez. You got new machines as well as the old ones. El Cortez is known as one of the loosest, has some of the loosest slot in all of Las Vegas. It's a Thursday night, so it's kind of quiet. This is a sports book on the left. Over the year, the crowd has gone younger and younger. It's about 50-50 split between locals and tourists now. You got Ike's Bar over here. On the left here, they have the classic coin slots. Yes, they're still around. It's one of the few left in Las Vegas. You can get coins, bucket coin, and then play. So here's about the founding fathers of El Cortez. And then the second owner of El Cortez is Bugsy Siegel, a mobster. So this whole hallway has like all the history, not just El Cortez, but Las Vegas. It's kind of hard to see with all the reflection. Yeah, it's so rare to see the coin slots now. Everything's just digital these days. And over here is the Siegel Siegel's 1941. It's where you can get your $16.95 prime rib special. This is the prime rib special for $16.95. It's like a classic throwback American fare with steaks. They're closed right now because tonight's a Thursday night. They only open till 10 p.m. On Friday and Saturday, they open 24 hours. This is the hotel lobby on the left. Straight ahead, you have the gift shop. This is the tower room elevators for I have the cheapest room, which was $65 total. So I'm across the street. It's the El Cortez Cabana suite.
Tell me something, it might just take the pain away. See, I've been thinking a million things I want to say. Now I'm looking in your eyes, but I'm wandering to your lips. See, I'm trying to keep it cool while I'm hovering for the kiss. 'Cause I've been needing you like old-fashioned
It's a small hotel, so there's not too many people at the hotel lobby. And out here you have the valet. If you're a guest here, then parking is free, including valet. So they have a good mix of all these high-tech new machines as well as the classic ones. Like I said earlier, it's Thursday night, so it's kind of quiet here. The Club Cortez. It's a really small casino and hotel, so this is gonna be a really short walking tour. The race and sports book again from the side. And then you can also stay in the original 47 room. They only have stairs. There's no elevator to them. And that's it for the hotel. And I'm gonna do a quick. I'm gonna go towards my room and do a quick room tour. All right, come do a room tour with me. The room's 6206. And the key is the little wristband. The wristband has magnetic in it, so it'll open the door. And right to the right is the bathroom. You got the toilet on the right side. A little hair dryer. Some amenity over here, nectar. Got the sink, the light, and then if I turn on the other light, it turns on the fan. So, and over here is the walk-in shower. Pretty small, but it has everything you need. This room is a Cabana petite suite. It's really small and cozy. Here's a little open closet. Got the iron right there, iron board, and a safe. And then this is a queen bed. And to the right here, you have the little alarm and iPod docking and a phone. On this side, you have a cup of water and the ice bucket, 42-inch TV, LG TV. You got the remote, Hamilton Beach coffee machine, And as well as some minis over there for coffee. The painting on the wall. The AC is over here. And the window view just goes to the parking garage, the parking lot across the street. And the price of this room was, the base price was $33, $4 tax, $27 amenity fee, which is like resort fee. Everything came out to be $65 for the night. Can't beat that for a great location. A block away from Fremont Street, across the street from the container park, and a lot of bars and clubs. And thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.